We have the threat for severe thunderstorms late Monday and into very early Tuesday. So, you know what I always say when there's a threat, make sure you download the Arkansas Storm Team app. It's free in the App Store. You will get instant warning notifications plus updated videos all throughout the day. There will be 60 seconds or less, all these videos, and we update it routinely on a severe weather day. And so we're going to do that quite often. You'll get the notifications, the silent pushes to your phone. But we do have that risk for severe weather, but it's not for everybody. And I do think that there's all modes of severe weather here that we're going to have to deal with. And when I say that, that means it's a low tornado threat, but it's there. But it's mainly a wind and hail threat for northwest Arkansas. But we can't rule it out even into central areas of the state. But the worst of this should be in northern and western Arkansas, and especially north and west of Arkansas. But we're not immune. And again, please have a way to get warnings. Download the Arkansas Storm Team app. And of course, we'll keep you updated all throughout the day. There's the risk on Monday. So that's a medium risk there from Fort Smith up towards Mountain Home in that orange shaded area. And that's surrounded by a low risk just north and west of Little Rock. So areas north and west of Little Rock, and then it fades away to a very low risk. So you can obviously see these storms, and I'll show you forecast track in just a second, but the storms develop out in Oklahoma, and then as they move into Arkansas, they maintain their intensity for a little bit, and then they weaken. But that's the way things look as of this Sunday evening. All right, now on to forecast track. And we're going to start this off at 10 p.m. There'll be scattered showers. It'll be warm and breezy all day long, but there'll be a small chance for showers, but the best chance comes in after sunset. And I would expect to see, well, I think there will probably be a tornado watch issued for northwestern Arkansas by this point. These are never absolutely perfect, but it does give you that good general idea of what's going to happen. So, in addition to the severe weather threat, there will be locally heavy rainfall in northwest Arkansas, wind and hail threat with this. That's at 10 o'clock. And there will be that tornado threat. Not all that great, but it's there. That's at 10 o'clock. Watch how they move into Arkansas by 11 o'clock. I would expect the threat for severe thunderstorms to continue, especially near the Arkansas River Valley, out there just to the west of Russellville and up into the higher elevations of northern Arkansas, the mountainous areas. And, even into west central Arkansas, you have to watch for these isolated cells that could affect areas as far south as Sevier County or maybe even Polk County there for a little while. So that's at 11. Let's advance this to about 12 or 12:30. So I think at this point they're starting to lose their intensity, but they could still be strong, potentially severe. Remember, this is never perfect. And there's that area to watch too in west central Arkansas, Polk County, Sevier, and even up towards Scott County. So that's at about midnight. You see by 1:30, 2:30 in the evening, all that begins to wind down. It doesn't completely go away. There will still be that small severe weather threat, but it does decrease some as we head towards 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, but it has to be watched. So again, we're not looking at a situation that is March 31st, 2023. No. But as we always say, it just takes one storm and it affects you, then it is as big as that. But on an overall look at the atmosphere, when we look at it, it doesn't have that look that horrible day had 1 year ago. No, but it can produce severe weather, and there is even a low wind risk for an isolated and brief tornado. We think the greatest risk for that is in Oklahoma, but we can't rule it out in western and northwestern Arkansas. And remember, that threat should decrease the further east it goes, but it doesn't completely go away. So always have two ways to receive your warnings: the Arkansas Storm Team app and the NOAA Weather Radio. Make sure you have a backup battery, always a good idea, just in case the power goes out, because if power goes out, you got to have a backup battery on that thing for it to work. So again, we always recommend two ways to get warnings. So no need to panic. Another typical spring storm system that we get, but we strongly feel at this point, and while it can change, that the worst of this will be west and north of Arkansas, and we will have to watch west central and northwestern Arkansas for a while. As always, thank you for your trust. Thank you for your loyalty, and we will serve you all the time. We're here to do that and to give you the newest information, and we will do that at KARK all throughout the day. And hope you had a great Easter, and don't panic about this. Just stay weather aware, and That's all you got to do, and just know what to do. That's all. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll keep you updated.